The biggest YouTuber in the world. MrBeast has 350 million subscribers right now, and he has the most subscribed channel on YouTube. And the net worth of MrBeast is more than estimated like $500 million. MrBeast is not a billionaire yet, but the way he spends his money is like it seems like he's a billionaire because in every single his YouTube video he just puts so much money. He spent so much money for every single YouTube videos, like $3 to $4 million for a YouTube video. Seriously, because Mr. Beast is so big, so big. His channel is so big. He's so famous. The main reason of all of this is because he just spent his money in a right way. Okay, first when Mr. Beast got his first payment from YouTube, it was $10,000. He took that money from YouTube and from brand sponsorship deal, and he gave it away to a homeless person. That's how he just grew his channel. He made some money, he reinvested on the next video, make some money, reinvest in the next video. And right now Mr. Beast has the whole team, and they are planning for each videos. They are working on so many projects right now, and his channel is just growing rapidly. And Cristiano Ronaldo launched his channel name You Are Ronaldo, and everybody thought that Cristiano Ronaldo is going to defeat Mr. Beast in terms of subscribers, but this is never going to happen because Cristiano Ronaldo is a footballer, not a YouTuber, and Mr. Beast is the most famous YouTuber in the world. I don't think anyone can surpass him. Like, he's growing rapidly, the channel growth, the video growth, everything is fine. And recently he launched his series, which is Beast Games, and which is also very famous. He's making so much money from so many income resources. He's making money from his YouTube channels. There are so many YouTube channels: Mr. Beast Gaming, Mr. Beast Shorts, Mr. Beast React, all of these channels, and he's just making so much money from the ad revenue. And he's also making so much deals with brands, and he has so many businesses like Beast Burger, festivals, all of this stuff. He's making so much money, and in the future, I guess he's gonna become a first YouTube billionaire, a billionaire from YouTube. That sounds crazy, but definitely this can happen. And Mr. Beast has so many strategies to grow a YouTube channel, which is see what audience wants. Okay, see what YouTube wants. What YouTube wants is click on the video and watch it. Okay, what audience wants is entertainment, and Mr. Beast focus on that. Okay, focus on quality, and then he just perform. Okay, you can see some similar videos on YouTube. Mr. Beast channel, you can see last to get hands of private jet, keeps it. Hard to get hands of Lamborghini, keeps it. And yacht and all of this stuff. Okay, and you're also gonna see $1 versus $100 million car, $1 versus $1 million house. Like, all of these titles are so same that people are keep watching all of this video. So he's continuously making same videos, same titles, but different experience. Okay, just different field, house to cars to yachts, all of these stuffs. So that's why he became extremely famous, and he's making so much money. And by the way, do you like Mr. Beast or not? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you soon.